here. No, out of the 36 persons here, nobody has installed the KMS Auto. Hello, class. Why is no one saying anything? There's no time. Today we have to be very fast and be brief about what we're doing.
No, sir, I have not.
Why hasn't anybody installed it? It's literally going to take you guys like 2-3 minutes max. Install it. One of you should just install it now. Switch off all of your antivirus and your Windows Defender, everything, then install it, please. Let's quickly, let me show you. We're going to use yours. We're going to activate yours. Then others can use that video to activate theirs. Not the Excel, KMS Auto. I dropped the zip file in the group. Mary Jane.
Okay, I've activated mine.
You've activated, so you have it installed.
Yes, I've installed it. I installed it. Like exactly what's shown on your laptop is what's shown on mine now.
Okay, yours is 2021, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Please share your screen with us. Open that KMS Auto so that we can walk them through on how to do it.
Okay, okay, but I'll have to. I'm joining with my phone. Let me join the class with my laptop and I'll share my screen.
All right, please. If anyone, Priscilla,
So I wanted to ask, how do you confirm if it's permanently activated?
you will see product activated here. You will see product. If you go to your account, you will see product activated here. So that's how you would know.
Okay.
If you have the KMS Auto installed, there is no time. Please share your screen. Let me walk others through on how to go about it.
I'm about sharing my screen.
All right.
Today. Okay, I'm sharing my screen now.
What I can see there is 365.
Can you see? Like I just opened this is the Excel app, yeah.
And you didn't activate it with the KMS.
That zip file you sent to Telegram, I downloaded it and it's showing product activated. sit here.
Open the app. Open the app. That KMS, the zip file.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to walk others through it.
Okay. Sorry.
This guy you want to help.
This is fine, sir.
Yeah,
Can you see my
yes.
screen?
Have you installed it?
Yes, I
you
have.
can only see. You can't see your screen.
You can't see my screen. I have now. You
No,
said if it
please.
has activated, show product activated on your Excel.
Yes. Just open the KMS application, not the zip
Okay.
file. The file that you've unzipped and installed.
This was the file I downloaded and installed.
And now here's the application now. If you've unzipped it and installed, it should be on your computer.
Wait, let me go to my download.
Just press the start button, search KMS there.
This one. Size is
No,
it?
no. Have you turned on your antivirus back?
No. It's not. It's still off.
Let's confirm, because if your antivirus is well, to this class, we cannot even do introduction to this Power BI then, because please reinstall the app, that KMS Auto, unzip it and install it, please.
Okay.
Manela,
Sir, what are you saying
up.
about antivirus?
You need to disable all of the antiviruses on your system for you to be able to activate this, because it is bypassing some firewalls that it's not supposed to.
Okay.
Please, who has that app installed on their system? Beatrice.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, using
I can hear
MacBook.
you.
What do we do? I'm just looking at the screen like this now, like, oh, what do we do?
Oh,
Like,
for the
I don't
Mac
even know
users,
what to do right now, honestly
for the Mac
speaking.
users, I can't help you at this point, because all of these things are impossible to get done on the Mac. Like I told you earlier, if you can, just try and get a Windows PC. And it's about to get worse for you, because we are going into Power BI today, and it's extremely difficult to have Power BI working and running very well on a MacBook. That means you'll be left behind, basically. So are you guys telling me that out of the 49 persons here, no one has installed the application?
So what I did is that when I clicked on that file, it didn't show install. It just took me somewhere, that KMS Auto, and gave me an option to activate Office, which I clicked on. It didn't share install application or anything about installation.
Show us what you did. Show us what you did. Let's see. Are you on this call with your laptop? Time is going. Today that means we'll just kick off next week then. There's no time. You guys have an assessment, and this class needs to end by in roughly 26 minutes time. Not enough time to introduce you guys into Power BI.
So can you see my screen?
Yes. So show us what you did, please. Let me just on my end. Let me. That's getpc.com. Okay.
And so this is what I did. So this is the zips file. Then I unzipped it.
Uh-huh.
But sorry, my stuff is on. My security, let me switch it off. Okay, I think that's okay. So I opened it and I entered the password.
1, 2, 3.
Like,
Right.
yes, I entered it. Then this is where it took me. Then I clicked on this. Then this is what it
Yes.
showed. It showed. Then I clicked on the
Application.
this first one.
Click on it.
The application, yes. This is what I clicked
Open
on.
it. Yeah.
Sorry. Then this is what it showed me.
Thank you very much.
KMS
Right.
Auto plus plus.
Yes. 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 I hope everybody is watching what she's doing.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
Click on that KMS Auto Plus Plus.
So I'm coming. It's still loading.
All right.
But I clicked on KMS Auto plus plus. Then I saw the option of activate office. Then that's what I clicked
Yes.
on. Then it took some time
Let
to
it load.
activate.
Let it load so that everybody will see the process. So that everyone will see the process. That's the whole point of this. Program is already running. Yes. You know what? Don't worry. Let me on my end. Let me just.
Okay, so these are the options you give. Activate Windows, activate Office.
Right? Click on Activate Office. Everyone, click on Activate Office.
Activate Office. Then I clicked on it. Then it started running like that. So you have to wait for some time.
That's it. That's the only thing you need to do. That's the only thing. It's very straightforward. Unzip the app, install the app, click on KMS Plus Plus, click on Activate Office, and just wait. And it will automatically activate it for you. Very straightforward. Very straightforward. So if you haven't, a couple of you should start doing it now before I end the call. A couple of you should start doing it now, please. I want to be sure 1 or 2 persons here have activated here before we leave. I was about doing it on my end, but let me turn on my Tara. if your 365 is active, you don't. It's just this is for only people that have issues with their product not being activated. If you have 365 and it's activated, you don't have a problem. If you're using a MacBook, then unfortunately we can't help you too. So I'm really sorry. Doris, Opara.
Good evening, sir. I think I'm very, very low.